Hello students, how are you? Students, yesterday I explained third part of the lesson. Now today I am going to explain fourth part of it. Now listen. In 2001, Ustad Bismillah Khan was awarded India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. Students, Ustad Bismillah Khan received the India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 2001. With the coveted award resting on his chest and his eyes glinting with their happiness, he said, "All I would like to say is teach your children music. This is Hindustan's tradition. Even the West is now coming to learn our music." After receiving his desired award, Bharat Ratna, Ustad Bismillah Khan became very happy. His eyes were shining with happiness. And while addressing the audience, he suggested them to teach their children music because music is Hindustan's richest tradition. Even Western countries are following that tradition. Means even the Western countries are learning music. In spite of having traveled all over the world, Khan Sahab, as he fondly called, is exceedingly fond of Banaras and Damrao, and they remain for him the most wonderful towns of the world. In spite of having traveled all over the world, Bismillah Khan, who was fondly called as Khan Sahab, loved Banaras and Damrao. And Banaras and Damrao were the most wonderful places for him in whole world. A student of his once wanted him to head a Shehnai school in the USA, and the student promised to recreate the atmosphere of Banaras by replicating the temples there. Once one of his students suggested him to open a Shehnai school in the USA, and he also promised him to recreate the atmosphere of Banaras in the USA by replicating Vishnu temple there. But Khan Sahab asked him if he would be able to transport river Ganga as well. At this, Khan Sahab, Ustad Bismillah Khan, asked that student if he would be able to transport river Ganga in the USA. Later he is remembered to have said, that is why whenever I am in foreign countries, I keep yearning to see Hindustan, while in Mumbai I think of only Banaras and the Holy Ganga, and while in Banaras I miss the unique mutt of Damrao. Once he said, whenever he was in foreign country, he was thinking about Hindustan. Whenever he was in Mumbai, he was thinking about Banaras and Holy Ganga. And whenever he was in Banaras, he was thinking about unique mutt of Damrao. Means in this way, Ustad Bismillah Khan loved his country, India, very much, and he did not want to leave his country at any cost. Even after being a Muslim, he played Shehnai in the temples. So now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson. Now I request you to read and write the explanation, and tomorrow I will make you write question and answers. Thank you and have a nice day.